Hi guys! Freaking Thai chicken salad or Larb Gai is what we are cooking up today. This Thai street food dish originates from northeastern Thailand, which is where I was born. It's easy to make and delicious, and I'm excited to show you how. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Larb Gai is a minced chicken salad, and the dish migrated to Thailand from Laos originally. It's a lovely, fragrant dish that we eat with sticky rice and vegetables, so nice and healthy for you. It's very easy and quick to make. So let's get on with it. Right, let's get detail about the ingredients for today.
Spring onion, sawtooth coriander, mint, chicken, brown sugar, raspberry, galangal, coffee lime leaf,
You know
lime,
that. Yes.
fish sauce, chili flakes, roasted rice, salad,
What about this?
salad vegetable. I have one right here. I buy it.
Chop up all the herbs. Carrot. Oops. Slice it up like this. Spring onion. Cut the bottom bit out before you use it. Chop it into small pieces. I like to go in chop cut. Sawtooth coriander, about that long. Slide the galangal up, can chop it into small pieces. Kaffir lime leaf. Take the middle bit out before you julienne it, then roll it up like that. So I would cut the lime into half and then I squeeze the juice out later. For the chicken, I use chicken breast. Take the skin out and then chop into small pieces. And then it's ready. I gotta cook the chicken first. No oil use. So the way I doing this, in Thai we call ruan gai. So which means you cook the chicken without oil in the hot pan. The chicken will release water out, and the chicken will cook afterward. The chicken now is ready. I will season with sugar, brown sugar, yes. Fish sauce. A little bit first, okay. Lime juice. Galangal. All the herbs that I prepared before. Kaffir lime leaf, chili flakes, roasted rice, homemade roasted rice, roasted rice is very necessary for this dish because you can see when I first seasoning, it's all juice come up from fish sauce and lime juice. So once I add roasted rice in there, and the roasted rice will soak up all that juice and make this dish just right. And this is how we eat it in Isan. We eat with sticky rice and fresh vegetable. Let me taste. โคตรอร่อยเลยอ่ะ My Larb Gai recipe is done. I will serve it up for you and show you what it look like.